This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Aristotle. Aristotle was born in 384 BCE in Stagira, a small town in northern Greece. His father was a physician, which influenced Aristotle's interest in biology and the natural world. At the age of 17, he moved to Athens to study at Plato's Academy, one of the most important schools of philosophy at that time. Aristotle spent about 20 years there, developing his ideas about philosophy and science. Aristotle's philosophy is based on the idea of seeking knowledge through observation and experience. He believed that understanding the world requires studying it closely, rather than relying only on theory. Aristotle's works cover various topics, including ethics, politics, and metaphysics. His ideas have greatly influenced Western thought and continue to be studied today. Aristotle is often called the father of biology because of his extensive studies of living organisms. He classified many animals and plants and described their behaviors and habitats. He also wrote about astronomy, physics, and geology, laying the groundwork for future scientific inquiry. His method of systematic observation is still used in scientific research today. In his ethical writings, Aristotle introduced the concept of virtue as a means to achieve happiness. He believed that living a good life involves finding a balance between excessive behavior and efficiency. Aristotle emphasized the importance of moral character and making wise choices. His ideas on ethics encourage people to develop good habits and strive for personal excellence. Aristotle's political philosophy examines the best forms of government and the role of citizens. He argued that the purpose of government is to promote the common good and ensure justice. Aristotle distinguished between different types of governments, such as monarchy, aristocracy, and democracy. He believed that a balanced government could protect the rights of individuals while serving the community. Aristotle made significant contributions to the field of logic, particularly in developing the syllogism. A syllogism is a form of reasoning where a conclusion is drawn from two premises. His work in logic laid the foundation for formal reasoning and critical thinking. These principles are still taught in philosophy and mathematics classes around the world. Aristotle wrote a famous work called Rhetoric, which explores the art of persuasion. He analyzed how speakers can effectively communicate ideas and influence their audience. Aristotle identified three key modes of persuasion: ethos, pathos, and logos. Understanding these techniques helps people become better communicators in various situations. Aristotle founded his own school, the Lyceum, where he taught students about philosophy, science, and the arts. His approach to education emphasized critical thinking and practical learning. He believed that education should help individuals develop their potential and contribute to society. Aristotle's teachings continue to shape educational methods used in schools today. Aristotle's work has had a lasting impact on many fields, including philosophy, science, and education. His ideas laid the groundwork for Western philosophy and influenced many later thinkers, including philosophers like Thomas Aquinas and Immanuel Kant. Today, Aristotle's writings are still studied in schools and universities around the world. His legacy reminds us of the importance of inquiry and the pursuit of knowledge.